Hey everyone, welcome to Terry's Tesla. Today we're going to take a look at how to supercharge your Tesla. That's right, how to get that fast charging, the do's and don'ts, ins and outs. Let's get started. Charging at home or work is a huge benefit and is recommended for daily charging if you can. I pride myself on never having to go to a charger unless I'm on a long road trip. However, Tesla's Supercharger network with over 25,000 chargers worldwide gives us the freedom to travel and charge much faster than at home or work. It's also great for people that don't have home charging, for people that live in apartments and condos and things like that, where they have to charge at a public charger. The first thing is finding a supercharger. Luckily, Tesla has you covered because your nearest supercharger is already built into your navigation system in your car, and it's in your Tesla app on your phone. So you might be asking, well, if I already know where the supercharger is, why should I go ahead and navigate to it? Even if you know where the supercharger is, you should still have your Tesla navigate to it because this process starts preconditioning the battery for even faster charging. So if you navigated to it on your own, you just drove there, you wouldn't get that benefit. When you arrive, use a stall that is not directly next to another car if you can. Not only is this great for just social distancing in general, but the charging speed could be affected on a version 2 supercharger. Luckily, the newer superchargers, the version 3 and the urban superchargers don't have this problem. Two cars can charge next to each other without slowing each other down. But for the older ones, it can affect your speed for both you and the other person. So just get in the habit of not parking next to another car, and that way you won't have to worry about which kind of supercharger you're at. Also, don't park weird, sideways, crooked, taking up 2 spots, or just don't park weird. Don't be rude about it. Park in within the lines. Your Tesla has a great backup camera. It will guide you in. All right, if you have no choice, yeah, go ahead and park next to other cars. It's not the end of the world, but we just try to avoid it whenever we can. Lastly, there are at least 1 or 2 of the pull forward charging stalls. These are designed for people that are pulling things with their Tesla, like they might have a trailer, a camper, or something on the back of it. They're towing something, and this way they can pull in without having to back in and not be able to get to the charger or take the trailer off before they can charge. So only use those stalls. Again, if you have no choice, it's the only one open, or it's the only one open without another car next to it, and you're going to wait for it to be done in case someone rolls up with a trailer. Once you back in, just get out, grab the charging handle, and press the button on top of the charger. It's got a little round circle indicator. Just press it, and that will open your charge door. If for whatever reason it doesn't open your charge door, you can just go ahead and tap your charge door with your hand or the charging handle, and it will open. Now, of course, this means your car has to be unlocked for the charging door to open. Just plug it in, and in a few seconds, your charging indicator should start flashing green. If for whatever reason it's flashing any other color, blue, yellow, orange, whatever, just check the messages on your touchscreen. It may be a problem with the charger, and you might have to just pick a different stall. Both your Tesla's touchscreen and your phone app give you an estimate of how long it's going to take to charge up to your current charge limit. Keep in mind that you can stop it at any time and continue on with your trip. In most cases, when we're on road trips, we don't have to charge all the way up. We just need enough juice to get to the next stop. So just charge up to where you have enough range to get to where you need to go. Also, charging to 100% is definitely not recommended unless you need that much juice or that much range to get to your next stop, because the time it takes to get from 80 or 90% up to 100 will take significantly longer. It will almost take as long as the whole charge took to get to 80% or 90%, as charging slows down when the battery fills up. There are usually local businesses and restaurants you can patronize, use the restrooms, so forth and so on while charging. As a matter of fact, I'm going to head into Target as we speak and grab a few things for the house while I wait for this charge. If you don't want to get out of the car, you can certainly use the built-in entertainment features in your Tesla to play games or watch movies and TV shows. Disney Plus was just added in the last update. You'll get push notifications when your car is almost done. That's when you should probably start heading back to the car so that you can unplug it, as to not get charged idle charges once the car has charged up to the limit that's been set. So it will start charging you, because if your car is just sitting there plugged in, they'll start, saying you're wasting time that someone else could be charging, and therefore you don't want to pay those charges. If you're not done with your business in the area, but you are finished charging, then go ahead and move your car so as not to tie up a spot that someone else needs. Sitting there unplugged that's just rude behavior. Just don't do that. This goes without saying also, don't dump your garbage at the charger. Don't take that opportunity to clean out your car and just throw the stuff on the ground. That's just bad human behavior. That's also rude. And I'm sure the trash can's in the area, and if not, just wait till you get to one before you throw your stuff away. Once you're done, you get back to your car, make sure it's unlocked. You can press and hold the same button that opened your charge door on the charging handle. That will stop your charging. Your charging indicator on the car will turn white. The one that was flashing green will turn white, letting you know that you can safely remove the charging handle and put it back in the holder on the supercharger. Don't just leave it laying there. Don't lay it on the ground. Put it back in the charger, please. Any charges you have incurred, if you are paying for supercharging, will be displayed on the screen as an estimate and will be charged to your Tesla account on the credit card that you have on file. If you do have free supercharging, like the kind you can get by using my referral code on your next Tesla, you won't be charged even if there is an amount displayed. And that's a wrap on supercharging your Tesla. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button if you like my content. And don't forget, you can also get free supercharging if you just click on that link or follow this link for my supercharging referrals on your next Tesla. With that, cheers everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye everybody.